The kidneys are two bean-shaped organs that sit in your back, just below your rib cage. Their main job is to filter your blood, removing excess or unnecessary substances while balancing the right levels of essential substances such as water, electrolytes, and minerals in the body. They also produce hormones which help regulate blood pressure and stimulate the production of red blood cells. Unfortunately, millions of people around the world suffer from chronic kidney disease, including myself. And if left untreated, this can lead to kidney failure, meaning the kidneys can no longer effectively filter waste and extra fluids from your blood. Fortunately, by following a healthy lifestyle and eating the right foods, you can support your kidneys and reduce your risk of developing kidney disease. In today's video, we will be exploring 7 immune-boosting foods that promote kidney health. Before we dive into these foods, let's take a moment to acknowledge that this video is not intended to provide medical advice. It is for educational purposes only. Please consult with your doctor before making any changes to your diet or lifestyle. Starting with 1. Salmon. Salmon is a fatty fish that's packed with nutrients and omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are anti-inflammatory, meaning they can help reduce inflammation in the body. This is important for kidney health because inflammation has been linked to many kidney diseases, including diabetic nephropathy, IgA nephropathy, and chronic kidney disease. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, eating more omega-3 fatty acids may lower the risk of chronic kidney disease in people with type 2 diabetes. The easiest way to increase your intake of omega-3 fatty acids is to eat more fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. However, if you do unlike fish, or if it is difficult for you to get enough omega-3 sal through your diet, you may want to consider taking a supplement. Always talk to your doctor before starting any new supplements. Number 2. Garlic. Garlic is a common ingredient that is used in many different dishes around the world. But did you know that garlic also has some pretty amazing health benefits? For example, garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has been shown to have antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Allicin is also thought to be responsible for the health benefits of garlic. One of the ways that garlic may help promote kidney health is by reducing inflammation. As we mentioned earlier, inflammation is a major contributor to many kidney diseases. By reducing inflammation in the body, garlic may help protect the kidneys from damage. Another way that garlic may benefit the kidneys is by improving blood flow. This can help remove waste and toxins from the kidneys more efficiently, which in turn can improve overall kidney function. Finally, garlic may also help lower blood pressure, which is another risk factor for kidney disease. According to a study published in the Journal of Nutrition, eating garlic supplements for 6 weeks can significantly lower blood pressure in people with hypertension. Of course, it's important to note that garlic is not a cure for any type of kidney disease. However, incorporating more garlic into your diet may be a simple and effective way to support your overall kidney health. So next time you're cooking a meal, throw in a few cloves of garlic to give it a little extra flavor and to give your kidneys a little extra love. 3. Kale. Kale is a leafy green vegetable that is packed with vitamins and minerals that can help promote kidney health. One of the key nutrients in kale is vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that can help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. Additionally, vitamin C also helps the body absorb iron, which is important for red blood cell production. And as we mentioned earlier, the kidneys play a role in stimulating the production of red blood cells. Another nutrient in kale that can help support kidney health is potassium. Potassium is an essential mineral that helps balance fluid levels in the body. This is important for kidney function since the kidneys are responsible for filtering and balancing fluids in the body. According to a study published in the Journal of Nutrition, eating more potassium-rich foods such as kale can help reduce the risk of developing kidney stones. Finally, kale is also a good source of fiber, which can help improve digestion and prevent constipation. Constipation is a common problem for people with kidney disease, so it's important to get enough fiber in your diet to keep things moving smoothly. Of course, it's important to note that kale and other cruciferous vegetables may be difficult to digest for some people, especially those with kidney disease. In these cases, it's best to cook kale before eating it to make it more digestible. If you find our videos helpful, please stay tuned for more health and wellness tips. Let's move forward with the video. Number 4. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits, such as oranges, limes, and lemons, are highly astringent. This means that they can help your body detoxify toxins by extracting heavy metals out of your tissues and hence promote kidney health. Citrus fruits are also high in vitamin C, which, as we mentioned earlier, is an important nutrient for protecting the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. 5. Onions. Onions are a type of allium vegetable, which also includes garlic and leeks. Like garlic, onions contain a compound called allicin, which has been shown to have antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Allicin is thought to be responsible for many of the health benefits of onions, including their ability to promote heart health, fight cancer, and boost the immune system. According to a study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, onions contain a compound called quercetin, which has been shown to have nephroprotective effects. In other words, quercetin may help protect the kidneys from damage caused by toxins and other harmful substances. Another study published in the same journal found that onions contain a sulfur compound that can help prevent the formation of kidney stones. Kidney stones are a common problem that can cause severe pain and other complications. So finding ways to prevent them is very important for kidney health. While more research is needed to fully understand the nephroprotective effects of onions, the evidence so far is promising. Adding onions to your diet may be an easy and effective way to support your overall kidney health. Onions can be eaten raw or cooked, and they can be added to a variety of dishes, so there's no excuse not to add them to your diet. Number 6. Green tea. Green tea is one of the most popular types of tea and is enjoyed by millions of people around the world. But did you know that green tea also has some pretty amazing health benefits? For example, green tea contains a compound called EGCG, which has been shown to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties can help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation, which, as we mentioned earlier, are major contributors to many kidney diseases. Another study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that people who drank green tea regularly were less likely to develop chronic kidney disease over a period of 7 years. Additionally, green tea may also help lower blood sugar levels, which is important for people with diabetes, as high blood sugar levels can damage the kidneys over time. To reap the potential benefits of green tea for kidney health, it's important to drink it in moderation. Most experts agree that 2 to 3 cups of green tea per day is a safe and effective amount. Number 7. Berries. Berries such as strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries are low in sugar and calories, but packed with nutrients and antioxidants that can help promote kidney health. Antioxidants are important for protecting the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. Additionally, berries are also a good source of vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C and K, as well as manganese and copper. These nutrients play an important role in maintaining overall health and preventing chronic diseases, including kidney disease. A study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that eating more berries was associated with a lower risk of heart disease and stroke. Since heart disease is a leading cause of kidney disease, eating more berries may help reduce your risk of developing kidney disease indirectly. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Stay healthy